So I have creator gear that I don't need anymore, and I'm giving away completely for free. So if you're a content creator or thinking about becoming one, this could be your chance to grab some useful tools entirely free. I'll tell you what's included and how to enter in just a second. Or you can jump to the timestamp on the screen and in the show notes below if that's your prerogative and you just want to know what all is included in this giveaway and how to enter. But first, I'm gonna briefly share how and why I ended up with all this extra gear and why I'm giving it away now. So something I've known about myself for a long time is I love trying new things, I love learning about new passions and interests, and boy do I love solving a problem. Sometimes, according to my husband, I'll even go in search of a problem just so I can solve it. Some may call it overthinking, I call it my ADHD superpower, and I just think of it as part of my growth mindset, the drive, the belief, you could say it's a compulsion to continue toiling and iterating until you've found the best solution or improvement possible. And so whether I'm solving for a problem that already exists or I'm just improving something that has the potential to be even 1% better, I just really can't help myself. And I don't just dip a toe in. I dive in head first, I start swimming laps, and I basically see how deep I can go before I finally feel satisfied with the solution. And that's exactly how I ended up with 2 full giveaway boxes of creator gear that's still in close to new condition, but has been sitting around not being used for some time because I have since moved on to something different for that piece of equipment that suits me better and offers more value for my personal use case. So I'm a few subscribers away from 500 as I film this, which is pretty substantial for me and my journey. Plus Valentine's Day is around the corner and we're in that start of the year decluttering season when you're post holidays and you need to take stock and clear out things that are just no longer sparking joy, if you know what I mean. And I don't want to let all this gear sit around collecting dust. So for all of those reasons, I have decided that I want to pass on my hand-me-down gear to other content creators who will actually use it, to somebody's in fact. Now, if you're new here, hello and welcome, I'm Allie. So I have been on my YouTube content creating journey now for about 18 months, and I'm still very much a creator in training. I'm learning as I go, I'm enjoying the process, and I am kind of figuring out what being a content creator means for me, figuring out a workflow that fits into my life, and kind of sorting out where and how content creation will fit into my routine. I don't have any big strategies in place. I don't have a master plan of how this is gonna go. All I know is I have a running list of video ideas that I think will be strategically helpful for at least 1 or 2 of you out there because they were helpful for me when I stumbled upon the solution, and I wanna share those. So for 2025, my goal is to publish at least 1 video a month, which is a far cry from 18 months ago when I thought I could get 2 done a week. But I'm just taking things one day at a time. So I am putting my energy into 1 or 2, 3 at the most videos. So there is still time and energy for my job, for my family, for my friends, and for myself. I am just gonna keep on plugging along, figuring out things as I go, and I'm excited to share my process and be willing to learn in public and to offer my 2 cents about what's working for me and what's not. And so if that sounds like your vibe, then I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe, and maybe we can compare notes or kind of learn from each other. But if that's not your thing, that is totally fine with me. I have no strings or catches. You don't even have to be a subscriber to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is just leave a comment to let me know that you're interested in winning either one of the 2 collections. And basically that lets me know that you would find some value in these free tools and creator gear. This is not top of the line equipment by any means. It's all the stuff that I started with, but I at least hope that there are 2 of you out there that will be able to get good use out of my creator hand-me-downs. So if that's you, make sure to enter with your comment on or before Valentine's Day of 2025 for a chance to win. This is my Valentine's Day gift to fellow creators or aspiring creators, because I love sharing the things that I love and find value in. And I am really enjoying and just loving everything that I have been finding and experiencing in the few months that I have been on YouTube, even just as a part-timer that's not monetized. And now that I am settled into the gear that works best for me, I'm just really ready to pass along what doesn't so that someone else might be able to get value from it. I have got 2 separate collections of creator gear, and you can enter for either collection individually, or you can enter for both. So first up, we have the strategic collections. It includes 15 different items of creator gear, and if you were to buy everything from Amazon, it would cost you over $460. So first up, we have a Ulanzi camera travel messenger bag. Next, we have a blue Yeti USB microphone that comes with a foam windscreen, a silicone protective skin, and a clamp-on pop filter. Then there's also a Comica wired shotgun microphone that is a super car dioid condenser. Honestly, I have no idea what that means, but it sounds very fancy. Then you will also get 2 microphone mounts that go in the tension kind of boom arm that are made to hold microphones, although the arms aren't included. These are just the little mounts that connect. There is a 4K AF UHD webcam, and the collection includes 2 LED lights with tripod stands. So they both come wired with controls on the wire, and then also there are wireless remotes. Plus they have the little plastic films that you can put in front of the light so you can change the color that is kind of reflected. There is a wireless Ulanzi LED video light, and that has 3 cold shoe connections that you can mount additional accessories to. And then next you have the Ulanzi MT46 tabletop tripod. So this tripod was great for holding my Sony ZV-1, which is much heavier than what I'm using now. And it comes with the Fall Cam F23 like quick release base already connected. And this makes it really easy to mount and remove your camera. And I fell in love with these. I have these on basically every tripod that I have. And then next up is something interesting. So this is a vehicle car window mount holder. So I originally got this item because I was DIYing a presidential style teleprompter setup that I wanted to have so that I could basically have a mobile, flexible filming studio in my house. Then there's also a cell phone wireless shutter remote, and there are 4 Ulanzi cell phone mounts that have 2 mounting options, one that will allow the phone to be upright and then one that allows it to be horizontal. And then finally, I have a set of 4-in-1 Neewer collapsible reflective discs. So these come in gold, silver, black, and a transparent white fabric, and they just help to bounce and reflect light when you're filming. And then they fold down nice, and they kind of go compact into this handy little carrying sack. So that is everything in the strategic collection. So now for the helpful collection. This collection has 12 items, and if you were to buy everything right now, it would cost you $230 on Amazon. And here's what's inside. So first of all, there is the MOVO 2.5 gigahertz wireless lavalier microphone. So it has both the receiver and the transmitter, and you're able to have clear wireless audio recording. Next, we have a vlog selfie mirror camera attachment that basically lets you attach a mirror to your phone so you can use the front-facing camera, the better one, while having the screen reflect on the mirror so that you're able to see what's happening while you're filming, and has a cold shoe mount. Then there's also a suction cup wall mount, that's my dog, to hold your phone or camera. Now, I ever only use this suction mount to hold my phone because I was using a Sony ZV-1 and I felt like that was way too heavy to use on the suction. But then we have a 25-inch aluminum tabletop camera tripod, and there is a corded USB streaming light that has a swivel mount and a magnetic connector that you can have like put in different kind of easy positioning. There is a metal desk clamp that has it's capable of accepting a suspension boom arm, but again, the arm is not included because the one that I had broke about a month after the return window closed, so you gotta love it when that happens. Then there is also a solid round ring light. It features stepless dimming and comes with a tall black metal tripod. There is a cell phone wireless shutter remote, and there are the 3 Ulanzi cell phone mounts with the 2 mounting options to go vertical or horizontal. And finally, in this order, collection, we have the very first teleprompter that I ever purchased. It is just a standard 12-inch teleprompter with remote. It works with an iPad as large as, or a tablet as large as the iPad Air. And this was my original kind of training wheels teleprompter. So that is everything in the helpful collection. Now, the list of all these items will be in the description below, as well as all the instructions I'm about to tell you as far as entering and eligibility and all that fun jazz. Okay, so here's the good news. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is leave a comment below before the giveaway deadline. So to enter to win the strategic collection, you need to leave a comment below with the keyword strategic, and you have to include the emoji of the trophy emoji. To enter for a chance to win the helpful collection, you need to leave a comment below with the keyword helpful, followed by the sparkles emoji. So that's the 3 stars emoji. And if you would be happy to put your name to win either of the giveaways, you just need to leave a comment below with the keywords strategic and helpful, plus both emojis, the trophy one and the sparkles one. And that's it. It's that simple. You can only have 1 entry per collection giveaway per YouTube account. You can't have duplicate entries for the same collection. They won't count. So this giveaway is open to residents of the continental United States only. I wish that was not a requirement or limitation that I had to impose, but I am covering the shipping costs myself and I am not monetized yet. So I need to keep this within a pretty reasonable budget, so I can only ship within the continental United States. The giveaway closes on Friday, February 14th, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's Las Vegas, Nevada time. The winners will be announced live on Saturday, February 15th at or shortly after 11 a.m. Now, I have never done a live stream, so if I run into technical difficulties or somehow the live stream goes off the rails for any reason, I will still complete the giveaway drawing at the scheduled time, and the selection will be recorded and I will upload the video as soon as possible. But I am hoping that I am able to do it all via live stream. It'll be a fun exercise for me. It'll be a learning opportunity. And if you are the winner, here's what you need to do. I will announce your name and your YouTube profile during the live stream, letting you know that you have won, as well as I will find your comment and I will reply to your original comment, and I will advise you to email me at the email address that I share during the live stream and in the message that I share with you in the comments. And then you will email me with a screenshot of your original comment that shows that it's your YouTube account so that I get proof that you're you. And then I will reply to that email and I will give you a specific keyword. You're going to take that keyword and you are going to add it to the end of the original comment, save it, and then take a screenshot of that updated comment and then reply back to my email with that second screenshot letting me know that you updated your comment. And also in that second email, you also need to give me your mailing address so that I know where to send your package. So once I verified that you are really you and that your mailing address is within the shipping area, I will get your package sent out within 7 days, and I will be sure to get you tracking information. And if you are already a content creator who's putting content out on a channel, or if you are just an aspiring creator, then you could also just tell me in the email that you send to me if you win what you are excited to make content about. I don't want there to be any pressure. I am just excited to support anyone who is on this journey with me, and I am just excited to learn about the kind of content that you're passionate about and that you'll hopefully be using this equipment to make content with. Now, if I don't successfully connect with the winner of either of the collections and complete this whole required confirmation setup within 24 hours, then I will select a new winner on Sunday, February 16th, at or shortly after 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So basically following the same process. So definitely make sure you have email notifications set up so that when I comment on your comment, you'll be notified. And this is my first giveaway. And the reason that I picked this is because I felt like it was the best way for me to ensure that the real winner can claim the prize without having any kind of requirements like subscriptions or anything, where it would allow me to create a structured, fair process of confirming the winner and also issuing a redraw if that was necessary. It would provide a 24-hour response window to keep the kind of contest moving forward and get the stuff out of my house. But most importantly, it basically seemed like the most easiest, simplest way for me to give this stuff away without having to do a lot of homework on my part. And anytime I can do that, I'm very much in favor of that. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, or affiliated with YouTube, any brands, or any companies. I purchased everything in both collections myself, and I am giving them away because I want them to go to recipients who will actually have the potential to use this equipment rather than just having them be scattered. By entering, you confirm that you meet the eligibility requirements and you understand that no purchase is necessary to enter or to win. And that's it. If you're interested, drop a comment below to enter, and I will see you on Saturday, February 15th on a live stream when I announce the winners. If you are not interested but just want to join the live stream, you are welcome to join. In fact, I actually plan to come on early and just talk about my setup and kind of give myself plenty of time to test drive the whole process. So I will probably be on at about 10:15, but it'll just be kind of a practice run. So you're welcome to join me. And if you think that my content might be up your alley and you want more alley in your feed, then I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Either way, I thank you for being here and giving me your valuable time and attention. I wish all the best to the entrants and good luck. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, have a good one. Bye.